All right, this is a quickie as well. I wanted to show you what I've been working on in a way to show people what's possible with a Teachable platform in a real way that people can sort of understand it. So this kind of looks a bit like a default page that you might get out of Teachable. Unfortunately, this last bit's not been done yet, but you'll see what I mean in a second. What I wanted to do was sort of show, but with little hover pop-up things, what can be done and what happens when you click on it. So this is a little info pop-up here, and hover on over it will give you an explanation as what it can do. So up here it says here we can customize the navigation bar. It doesn't actually do anything, this one, because it's quite complicated to do navigation bars. I might work on that later, but for example, this one here, if you hover over it, says it's possible to change the color, font size and background of the main heading, and if you click it, it actually does it for you. Now it doesn't change this bit here because I've recoded this differently. And then the same for this one here, it clicks it here. And then what's really cool is if you hover over this one, it says, yes, it's possible to change the background image, size and the position to, and if I click that, it actually does it for you. Now this has all been coded for the purposes of the demo. It's not that easy to do, unfortunately, in Teachable itself. But as I scroll down, you can see that cool background colors, it talks about different background colors, and if you click here, it sets it to white, but if you click on here, it sets it to a different color. And if you click it each time, it tells you what the color code is here in hex and in RGB, and if you want to click here, it goes back to white. But you know, you can keep playing with the different colors to get a color that you kind of like, and then you can copy the code yourself. And this also repeats itself down here because it's a background color for the section. And if I look at the services, sometimes you get services that you might have, and people may normally just list them like this, but if you click here, bullet lists can be turned into amazing feature lists with icon and images, and this is what it can turn into. And you can see that it looks way better. And this one here would normally, when I click here, it's dozens of options for the forms, but if I click it, nothing actually happens because I've not actually coded it, because it takes some JavaScript for me to actually create this feature. And I wanted it to be a page that people that are looking to buy my services in the future could see exactly what you could do from the plain old, need I say, boring pages that you get by default out of Teachable to something that's actually really kind of cool. Just with a few changes, you can turn it into something quite magical. And yeah, so I'm going to put the link to this into the footer of the little video, and you can come back again now and again, and you'll see that I've probably added a few more things to it. Because the idea is for me to have all my features that is available that you can see in this sort of little example page, and you can work from there. So yeah, hope you like it. That was a really bad ending. Talk to you later. Bye.